This tiny red berry could save you from a painful infection you never saw coming. Cranberries are small, tart, and packed with health power. People have used them for centuries, and today they are one of the most talked about fruits in the health world. In this video, we will look at their benefits, nutrition, and side effects. What are cranberries? Cranberries are small, bright red berries that grow on low vines in cool, wet regions such as North America. They have a naturally sharp, tart flavor, so they are often enjoyed as juice, dried snacks, sauces, jams, or added to baked goods and salads. Although they are small in size, cranberries are packed with important nutrients, including vitamin C, fiber, manganese, and powerful plant compounds called antioxidants. These nutrients help support your immune system, protect your cells from damage, and contribute to overall health. Because of their impressive nutritional value and unique health benefits, cranberries are considered one of the healthiest berries you can include in a balanced diet. Nutrition facts: a cup of fresh cranberries has very few calories, but offers good amounts of vitamin C, vitamin E, and fiber. They also contain manganese and small amounts of other minerals. Most of their power comes from antioxidants called polyphenols, which fight harmful molecules in the body. Urinary tract health: cranberries are best known for helping prevent urinary tract infections. They contain compounds that stop bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. This makes it harder for infections to take hold, especially in people who get UTIs often. Heart health benefits. Cranberries are rich in powerful antioxidants, especially polyphenols and flavonoids, which help protect your heart and blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals. These natural compounds may help lower LDL cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and improve the flexibility and function of blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more efficiently. Some studies suggest that regularly consuming cranberries or unsweetened cranberry products may help support healthy blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease over time. When combined with a balanced diet and an active lifestyle, cranberries can be a valuable addition to a heart-healthy eating plan. Immune system support. Thanks to their high vitamin C content, cranberries help strengthen your immune system. This can help your body fight off common colds and infections more effectively. Digestive health. The fiber in cranberries supports healthy digestion. It feeds good gut bacteria and helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. Possible side effects. Cranberries are safe for most people, but eating too many of them can cause stomach upset or diarrhea. Cranberry juice often has added sugar, which can raise blood sugar levels. People on blood thinners should also talk to a doctor first, since cranberries may affect how these medicines work. So, cranberries are more than just a holiday side dish. They offer real health benefits, from fighting infections to supporting your heart. Add them to your diet in smart, simple ways, and enjoy the taste along with the benefits. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. See you in the next one.